We have a philosophy here at Temple of Poi. Never underestimate the value of fucking around. No, the thing is, the reason why by the way that I explicitly say that to people is because once you get into like a pedagogy and you get into a structure of learning, regardless of like how, it doesn't matter how formalized it is, once you start getting ideas externally, you can, we humans, this is not a you personally, we as humans can get stuck in our, oh, yes, it's this way. And it's like it becomes prescriptive as opposed to exploratory. My philosophy about this is that there is no wrong way to spin. There may be effective or ineffective ways for achieving a particular outcome. And just because somebody else doesn't do it that way does not make it wrong, better, worse, or otherwise. So, yay for exploration. Good job. I continue to encourage you to do that because I think it's where we get back to beginner's mind and we let go of all of the prescriptive ways we think we're supposed to be executing. And I think that there's a lot of value in reconnect. I mean, it's like when you think of a child, they don't know what they're doing. This is one of the reasons why they'll say anything, right? Oh, you're not supposed to say that. Well, children can get away with it. Why? Because there's no prescriptiveness assigned to them. And I think it's the same way that like beginner's mind it's very valuable. So circling back to the beginning of the conversation, sometimes I'm childish, and I think actually retaining childlike wonder and curiosity is very useful in this practice. Your mileage may vary. I hope you've heard me say, don't let my preferences become your limitations, because like just because I like it and I prefer it doesn't mean you will prefer it. So like I may prefer to turn left, which I do, but you may prefer to turn right. And so I may be teaching from my preference, or I may be teaching from my weakness, whichever. And uh, you may prefer it the other way. So you exploring has you go beyond what it is I'm giving you, which ideally I would be giving you the impetus to explore for yourself.